Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today we're in my kitchen in Portugal. I have made a number of videos fixing these Ryobi 18-volt batteries, and well, those videos has done pretty well, and I can see in the comments it has been helping a lot of people getting life back into their batteries. Awesome! Today I have an issue. I have a 36-volt battery. Well, in EU this is 36 volt. In America it's 40 volts. Go figure. Yeah, I've been using this very much on my trip here in Portugal. You need to clear your land, and I've been streaming, and right now the battery just does this, and that is not a good sign. I was using it, I was streaming, and it was about, I'd been doing it for a while, so I knew it was kind of low. It would go out in just a little bit, but it went out in a different way than it usually does. It cut out in a weird way. I thought that was different, but I didn't think of it until I put it in the charger. And yeah, let's just try that. So here is the charger, and here is the plug for it, and this is the connector for my washing machine. That's a weird one, but yeah, never mind. Let's plop the charger in there, and the charger is powered on. It says on the LED, and if we take the battery and pop that in, it will taste the battery a little bit, and then it will do the red and green LEDs. You can see that it's blinking. Red and green LEDs blinking means go check your manual. Okay, I threw that away a long time ago. So yeah, but I cheated. I figured out how to do this. So, but before we do that, let's just check the voltage on it. I do, even though in my kitchen and doesn't have a lot of stuff down here, I do have a multimeter. I brought it down here for other reasons, but it has been very well used down here. So let's see, we have plus and minus. So right now it says that there's 3 volts. That's a bit to the low side. I don't trust that. So weird, but we need to get this open, and that is where my issues I ran into issues, because it has 4 screws. There are 3 screws visible, and there is 1 screw underneath this plastic cap that we also need to get to. But these are security tocks, and I did not have security tocks here, so I had to go shopping, and I just needed security tocks. I got this one, and I got another security tocks, and all the rest of the stuff just followed me home. I don't know where it came from, but I don't know, but when you go shopping, you kind of come home with all kind of stuff. So I found this thing. It was way too expensive, but it might do the job. So we need a 15. That's way too big. And on the package it says that there is an T15 there, and the T10 should also be able to do it, but if we have the 15, that's ever so slightly better. It did not like the T15. Okay, this one will do it. So you need the security tocks, because as you can see, maybe you can see, there's a tiny little hole, and there's a tiny little thingy that will prevent you using a normal tocks in the screw. They get you like that. So I'm gonna see if I can use this original Ryobi. No, it's not, but it has the same green colors of the Ryobi. See if I can get that and remove that thing without stabbing myself. Yes, there it is. I'm not gonna put that back in, we don't need it. I just broke the warranty Even though I could probably have tried to use the warranty and play stupid, just, oh, my battery's dead, can't do all my work. Well, I still might have to if it's totally unresponsive. I think we can fix this. We have the screws out, and I was just gonna to tell you that it might be hard to get this off, but well, it's already falling apart. Oh, do I need to get under that sticker? Oh, that's a shame. I think I'll use the knife again and just cut the sticker. There. So, warranty double off. There. We have the battery. We have a big beefy fuse there, so there's no problem there. Okay. It's not very, it looks kind of ugly in here. But if you look at the battery and have the terminals that way, there is a little thing down here that's, well, they call it RST. It's kind of a reset. So what we want to do is we want to short circuit those for a few seconds, and that should reset the battery and make it possible for us to charge it again. I don't know how it is in your country, but here in Portugal, when you buy like sliced bread, they have this thingy to keep it closed in the shop, and you remove that, and there's a metal wire in here, and it's insulated, so we can just pop those off with a piece of pliers. Oh, so this is very, come on, we're making video here and I'm messing up. There, so now we have two wires here that we can put together, and then we can short circuit that little reset thing, and it shouldn't take long, and if it explodes, it makes good video. So let's see what we can do. I'll put that in there. One of them is in. Oh, that wasn't good. I got a yeah, I touched something that I shouldn't have touched. Okay, it blinked. That was different. So yeah, don't touch things that you aren't meant to touch. So if we put this cover on, it does something else, which is a good thing. So did you see that? Before it was lighting up all the LEDs just green. Now it just shows me that it's low. So now we can put it back on the charger. I'm not gonna bother with the screws just yet. I wanna see this charging. And it's charging, and it's charging. So that little reset trick has probably just saved me that battery. Even if I got a shock, I didn't get electrocuted, I just got shocked. So this charger is slow as heck. It's gonna take a few hours to charge that up. Oh. So yeah, I can see that I can put some of the screws, those two screws I can put in up here while it's charging. So it's a few hours later, and we are blinking on our last little bit. It's getting dark outside, and I actually want to go and do a little bit more trimming before all the light disappeared. So I'm gonna cut it here and go do some work. So this was a pretty easy fix, but if you don't know this fix, well, it could just have cost you $200 for a new battery. These are expensive. It cost me like 10 euros and an hour's drive forth and back, and to get a tool so that I could open up the battery with that security tox thing. But now I know how to do it next time, and you do too. If you wouldn't mind giving this video a like, if you saved your battery, well, you must like that. But other than that, thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.